Hey, it's Dave the Hatman. Metal, everybody.
With Fletcher and Phoebe.
New car. Maybe run it here a little bit. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, let's open this up. I'm excited. How about you?
Yes, it's a good looking car. And just in case you guys need tires for this specific car once we opened it, there are the Paul Gauge part number. There is the Paul Gauge part number if you need it. All right, here we go. This is a cool car. There's already one on the field. Dave had to have one, so it's a different livery. And I'm gonna be a jerk and open it up this way to make you guys work for it. You ready? Oh, there it is. You see it? All right, here we go. Look at that. It looks a lot better in person,
man. Dude. It does. I like that.
That is sexy. We're going to open this bad boy up and get it on the turntable. Stay tuned. All right, we're back and we're on the turntable, and this car is a beauty. I almost like it more than my Worth car, which is another Zakkspeed turbo. The liveries are not too many, but just enough that it makes the car look really nice, and the beautiful shiny white paint and the blue stripes with the light blue and then the red pin. It's pretty classy, Dave.
I like it. I like it.
And then he loves the said cow catcher. He's going to get you in the nutsack. Is what he's going to do.
Now with that 3D slot rule, I'm going to have to be careful to not be penalized.
Yeah, and not be taking everybody out.
Yes.
Yes, indeed. Here's the bottom. We like to try to show the bottom. Pretty standard Carrera stuff. It is wide with your air dams and stuff, but these cars run really nice. And like we said, we've got the tires here for it.
And I wonder if we'll have to do any filing on the front.
We might. Yeah, we might. We had to do mine because it rubbed here a little bit, so we'll take care of that as we need. All right, we're going to go put this baby on the track and get a picture of it there. We'll be back. All right, we're at the track. I have to say, that's really cool that having a logo on the side headlights there. Those lights look really cool. And the giant nutsack cow catcher looks really sweet. Looks really ace on the track. And that tail lights are beautiful, man. Just beautiful. So Dave's gonna run some laps here. Stand by. All right, we got Dave's car on the track, and he's gonna do some laps.
Metal, everybody. Let's see if I can keep it on the track. Still got stock tires on.
Yeah, we haven't done anything to it yet. Let me raise this up a little. There we go.
Yep, there we go.
Let me help you out. I got it.
Todd, all right, thank you, Todd.
Yep. Fletch, you got your ball.
Definitely needing some Paul Gauge tires.
Yeah, it needs tires, a little break-in period. The full works. Runs nice though.
Yep.
He loves his ball. We got his dog Fletcher here, as you know. Fletcher's running around, having trouble.
Yep.
Ooh, that was a good slide. If only you could have recovered. So yeah, she runs really good, you guys.
I like it. Ooh.
Yeah, that's nice.
Get some sticky tires
All right.
on there, and I'll be ripping that spoiler off right away.
No, you won't. We haven't lost it on Worth yet.
Nope,
Well, thanks everybody for tuning in to this unboxing of Dave's new Zakkspeed Ford Capri.
Have a good night, everyone.
Everybody have a good one. Dave
Yeah.
says bye. I say metal. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Thanks for watching.